carry the dog shit round me. He just come for video me. Come for video me. Him and him woman plan. Cause
it is a girl Annie Boo ends back with a live with Ivany. Mr. Guys, it's a very interesting video. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all.
blood clots to say every time me carry the dog shit round me, he just come for video me. Come for video me. Him and him woman plan. Cause why every time alright? Me share how him and him woman plan. You live with the man and the man I tell you say you is the one. And nobody can say don't call me a chat, me not call the name, so nobody listen to me, me know my rights. Me not call nobody name, so me free me up on my platform. Just like how she post me up brawling what day, yeah. I mean, I see no blood clot post it. So what a way she post Vanny, but if Vanny did post she, it would have all up on social media. Because I don't want to have it as proof to say me post her. When she post me, I don't see no vlogger page put it back out there. So what a way she post Vanny. But if I did post it now, they will only that post it up for have proof say yeah me post it. So allow me alone with me talk and me not trouble, me not call no name. It me I hear that. But me I say, him and the people them plan for me. Why every time when you come down on my yard, me and that the girl have in an argument? Besides, if that bitch never called my phone in the first place, none of this would have started. She never, the first thing, oh, you get my number. So let's all, when you don't want to talk about oh this all started and Vanya trouble her, let's try to go back down how it all started. And the girl provoke me. Me never blood clot call for your phone. Me not search my phone for call for your phone. And the fact that you go in a phone and take out my number and call me, you know what you do. You want me to know about you. Cause you live with the man at the man yard. You could have waited till the man come home. You thinking so when you did call the man the day the man would have left from up on my yard come straight down at your yard. The man still never left. The man end up sleep over the same night. So you live with the man. You could have did wait till you got your yard, you know. You could have did wait till the man reach home. You argue with the man about anything where did go on live. You never did have to call my phone, but you did that. You look trouble. And when the trouble get heated, now everybody wants to say, oh, Vanny did wrong. The bitch should have called me in her first place. She should have waited till our man reached down. She talk to her man about why our man did that, say certain things about me. And then now, the people that are going to say, because me I talk about her picnic, make she post my picture. Enough time the girl chose shades. Enough time. And I say, me a copy her. With what? With what? Because the same clothes when me buy for ice, and ice in a them all long, how much months ago, days ago, I same clothes them I sip on the picnic. I mean, I see nobody post them. Even though clothes is clothes, but I mean, I see nobody post. I say ice have them the long time. But as soon as them realize it's the same thing, them post to make it look like say, and me I watch them, and I follow them, and I buy things for ice. Why would I even want to know where you're pretty enough of ice in a? Number one. Me not see no post that. Majority of these things where the two of them in a go look on ice page. Ice been of them long time. And that's why every time I shop my post. Because I have say people are copycat people for a reason I don't know. For a reason I don't know. And let me show you how I stay. I see me there live. I want to come on my live. I want to start some topic. And when I answer back, I get up and post it like say me a trouble people. And like say, I want to make it look like me a trouble people. Because when I give me no money, man no want buy. And the man say, him not believe in a feeding, pitting in a belly, man wait till the baby born. Alright, me agree with that. Fine, that's the way you say me can't burn you out from what you say. He pitting the born and yet still no. He pitting the born but yet still no. When you say me not give man no chance. When the man did fight me off in a hospital, almost fight me off. Here. When the man almost fight me off in a hospital, and me and him a cuss and he hide and record me, I try to find things to give CPS, but two of me smart, me didn't give him nothing to talk about, because I never did a fight him back or this him or nothing. I just did it on my phone and say, "Allow me alone," or whatever. And them escort you for leave. You text on my phone and ball for see baby. Me didn't give him one chance to come back when he come at me yard. No chance that. I could have tell him, say, don't come at my blood, not yard, go on a court. I may invite you same way at me yard to come see Pitney. And when you come at me yard, you still try fight me off again. You still try fight me off. You did have the knife I cut up weed. Me say I'm not good for talk. Me attorney say me not for post nothing. And me I wait till court done because me have them. You have a knife I cut up weed. And when time me take up ice. You take up ice in your name and give me ice. And me I walk off for you for ice. You turn around and start video me make it look like a chop me want chop you up. Then the time they done call CPS already, you know. You done call CPS, you know. And for show you how the Bible, God strong. God make you all confess it. The same night when me call the police them for escort you out. You say, yeah, you remember that CPS lady that come to you at the Pitney name in a famous topic. Who is you for tell me say me can't talk about anybody anytime. Cause they bring it up on my life. If it's for me not chat boy you. If it's up to me alone, me not chat boy you. Me not see you. At the comment section, them comment and me I talk back to the comments. And when me I reply back to the comments, them screen record me and put it up to make it look like me basically just keep on a talk about them. Una sister every time me nah meds them try to do something for my meds them. And when me answer, them put it up and make it look like me bothered by them. Una see it. If una see it, something wrong with you. Una sister when the eyes not upon them, they make some posts together and them do some things just to be seen. Cause me nah meds them. Them realize that nothing what them do again can't really all me out. Cause me nah look. Me nah look me in my own little world. Let me look at man problem them. So when they realize that they can't get my attention, they keep on posting to get the vloggers' attention. And when the vloggers then start posting now, hey boy, sit down and don't put me. How you get attitude? Sit. Don't give your mother an attitude. I have one bad attitude, you know. Oh. You're too old now. Cannot change your clothes or you jump up and down. You leave that attitude, you know. Because that's how you start from a younger age. Nobody can talk to you now. You hear I tell you? When I change in your baby self. Alright. I join you. But you have to be yourself with you, man. Just so you give me some attitude that fling up in yourself. Come, go on down. Because you can't walk, but you love your grung. And the grung in my ball. But yeah. The grung him can't wait for go up on and me I try to change him. So 3 1 go down and me now make him go down. He might fight me off. What you just said? You better say mommy to you, say mommy. You know when me hear when you say a while ago? You know hear? Had that team ball out a while ago. Give me this, give me this, give me this. Come out of my face. Come out of my face, Ice. Just go on about your business. You hear me? I want you. In shirt back way. Where? Man, me can't bother you. Make it on. I make me. Watch out. Mommy. Mommy.